Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a section smaller on Squarespace. This is a really useful skill when you want to tighten up your page layout or create more visual balance in your design. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Squarespace dashboard where you can manage all your sites. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see all the websites connected to your account. Simply click on the website where you want to make the section smaller. This opens up the main editing interface for that particular site. Now on the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu with several options. Click on Website, and directly under it, you'll find Pages. Click on Pages to view the structure of your site. This is where you can access all the individual pages you've created. You'll now see a list of all your pages. Simply click on the page that contains the section you want to edit. After selecting the page, click the Edit button. This will load the page editor, allowing you to make changes to the layout and content. Give it a moment to fully load so everything displays correctly. Once the editor is open, scroll through your page and locate the section you want to make smaller. When you've found it, click on Edit Section. This opens up the section settings, which gives you control over spacing, layout, and other design elements. In the section settings, find the option labeled Gap. Next to it, you'll see 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to access the customization options. This is where you'll be able to adjust the dimensions of your section. Now comes the fun part. You'll see a horizontal arrow and a vertical arrow representing the width and height of your section. Use these arrows to adjust the size of your section. Play around with the sliders until you achieve the exact size you're looking for. The changes will be reflected in real time, so you can see how your adjustments impact the overall layout. Once you're happy with the new size of your section, click Save. This locks in your changes and updates your page with the new section dimensions. And that's it. You've successfully resized a section on Squarespace. Now your page has the exact look and spacing you wanted. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.